Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. So we begin with Allah's best name. We glorify Him as we want to be praised and glorified, and we pray for all the noble messengers, and in particular the last of them all, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam. So it's a new year, Islamic calendar. It's a new year. So if it's a new year, we all are supposed to be new. So let's dive into this. The Islamic New Year already commenced, so you have to just enjoy. So today, let's see what we got. Let's check out my first match of the day, whether it's a win or not a win. It must be a win or not a win. As simple as that. A win or not a win. Nothing than that. A win or not a win. Checking out some rewards here, but I don't care about these ones. And anyone who tells you to play any other mode besides Division Rivalry, H2H, head to head, all I can say is spitting shit on you. If someone is telling you to play any mode on FC Mobile, which is not head to head, I don't subscribe to that person. And FC Mobile needs to copy something from Pubg. But since I'm a FC Mobile player agent, I don't want to dive into that. But they must do it. They must do it. They must copy a lot of things from Pubg, starting from the Smooth network to other voice chatting in the game, etc. We have been sending a lot of feedbacks, but they don't care about it. So let's also be cool about it. Let's go.
No problems at all on the weather front as we get ready for this match. My name is Derek Ray, and joining me for commentary is Stuart Robson. And without
Oh my God, Abdul Sani. We are playing Abdul Sani. Let's go. Hope we win this match, guys. There's a player, not a clone, not a CPU. I'm not playing a CPU today. Today I'm playing something. I'm playing a human. I'm not playing CPU today. Let's see. I'm not playing a CPU. This person doesn't rush. Nope. It is lagging. It is lagging, guys. It is lagging. It is lagging. Pass. Pass. Oh my God, what? Imagine conceding on first touches of a guy. Come on! Oh my God. It's lagging.
And it's with Pedro.
Imagine getting the person getting a goal in his first touches. Oh my God! I did not see that. That's why I don't want to play when the game is lagging. This is because of his network. His network is in yellow. Because all I know, if I get a draw, I'm going to stop to play. He's red. But these kind of matches, I'm supposed to play more. Because the network is not okay. I'm not playing on my full potential. The network is lagging. You get the point. Come on. Let's go, Lionel Messi. Sometimes if I make a draw on these people, I have to play match again. Because the network is disturbing me. It is lagging.
Now Zidane, Vinicius Junior.
It's lagging.
Well, they keep the ball moving. They find a gap in the defence. And now Stones.
Haven't got a goal.
Vinicius
I don't
Junior.
like this. Pass!
Now Zidane. Good use of the ball. Plenty to think about. McAllister. Didier Drogba. Ball with Pedro Gonçalves. And they're on the front foot, looking for a winner near the end of this game. Kaká got it out of there. We've entered the final 5 minutes.
The atmosphere is so tense inside this stadium, but can United
Oh
find
my
that
God.
magic to win the game?
Network is lagging. Oh! Man!
Stop it going in. And that is that. The full
Then what is
time
this?
and nothing to separate
Then what is
the two
this?
sides. It's all over 90 minutes. It finishes
I have to play the second match, guys. This network was very bullish. Was sorry, it was very bullshit. It was a fake network. I don't see the reason why I can't play again. If I have a bad network, don't expect me to play very nicely, guys. Guys, I'm going to play another match. Let me play another match, guys. I'm going to play another match, guys. Either I lose or this network was very poor. Let's go for another